First, go to the link in the description below. Once the page opens, scroll down and click Download GTA 4 FusionFix.zip. The file will start downloading, so wait for it to finish. After it downloads, right-click the file and select Show in Folder. This will open your Downloads folder, where you'll see the zip file. Right-click it, choose Extract All, untick the box if needed, and then click Extract. A new folder will appear. Open it, then select all the files inside, right-click, and click Copy. Next, open your GTA 4 game files. Since I'm using Steam, I'll find GTA 4 Inches my Steam library. Right-click it, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Browse. Once you're in the game directory, open the GTAIV folder. Then right-click in an empty space inside that folder and click Paste to move all the copied files there. Once the files are pasted, you can launch GTA 4. FusionFix will now be enabled, and your game issue should be fixed.